Hello everybody, we are here live in Odessa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I am Xander behind the camera, and as you know, we have Faith inside this home right here that you see in front of us. And yes, if this home looks familiar, you guessed right, it is the Trinity, one of my favorite single wides. So, I'm really excited to get back in and show you guys this home. Of course, we have shown it before during our Odessa lives, but this is the first we are going to show you guys here live in Odessa. So, the specs on this home, of course, are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1190 square foot, 16 feet wide, and 76 feet in length.
Hey Xander, come on in.
Hey, Faith.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. It's a little chilly outside, but I'm doing good.
A little. But yes, welcome to the Trinity. So this home is actually one of our in-stock models and you can get it for $1,500 off. And also, this home is only a little over $1,000 a month. Isn't that just nuts?
That's crazy.
I know. And also, happy Groundhog's Day. Did he see a shadow today? I don't know. Let us know down in the comments below because I hope he did. I hope he did. But let's go ahead and take a look at this home. So here is your living space. It is massive and you have this really cool accent wall. And I love how it kind of combines board and batten and shiplap, which are two of my favorite trends combined in one. What can you get better than that? And you can mount your TV here and just have a nice little movie night, chill with your family in here. You can have a little sectional right here and it will just be such a cozy place. So behind us is our kitchen. I love this kitchen because this island is really unique. As you can see, it kind of goes in, so you can have bar seating not just here, but all the way around on the other side as well. And what makes it even better, you have storage. Plenty of storage underneath with these cabinets and drawers. And then you have more back here as well. So if you want this home in stock, you do have to get it as is, but if you want to order it, all of this is customizable. You can have different finishes, you can have black handles instead of gold, you can have different colored cabinets, whatever you'd like. And here is this beautiful deep farmhouse sink. I just love these farmhouse sinks. I think one compartment just makes washing dishes so easy. So let's go ahead and check out this primary bedroom. So here is your primary bedroom. You have your bedroom attached to your closet and bathroom, which is really great. You can fit a king size bed in here, 2 side tables, dresser, maybe a desk in here. Whatever you put in your bedroom, it can fit in here. And here is your walk-in closet. This has the wood shelving that is not going anywhere, and there's plenty of space in here. And if you really wanted to, you could probably add some shelves here for some extra storage space. So here is the bathroom. I just love this bathroom. I love the white cabinets with the black finishes. I just think it's so pretty and plenty of space to store your things. Double vanity as well. And then you have this beautiful walk-in shower that has subway tiles and those black finishes as well. Everything just kind of goes together in this bathroom. I think it's just so pretty. So let's go check out these secondary bedrooms.
And if you are just now joining our live, we are here in Odessa, Texas. We are inside the Trinity. The specs of this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1190 square foot, 16 feet wide, and 76 feet in length.
So here is the first secondary bedroom. You could fit a twin size bed in here with a dresser, or it doesn't even have to be a bedroom. If you're a workout person, you could fit a treadmill in here, some weights. Maybe you're into yoga, you can have a yoga room in here. It's very light and airy in here, you know, really get in with your zen. Here is the closet, and it also has those wood shelvings as well. And you could just put some drawers in here, whatever you'd like. Now let's check out this secondary bathroom. So again, in here, it has the white cabinets with the black finishes, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. And you have this tub shower combo right here as well. Plenty of space in here for whoever is sharing this bathroom, not these, this. And here is the other secondary bedroom. I really love the layout of this because you could fit something in here. You could put your dresser in here with your TV, and it fits perfectly. It just really satisfies me. And then you can put your bed over here, plenty of space for a queen size bed in here for sure. And here is your closet. Really stunning. And those wood shelvings. I just love them. Well, that was the Trinity. Thank y'all for joining. And a reminder, this home is part of our in-stock deal. $1,500 off, and it's only a little over $1,000 a month. I mean, you can't beat that. So join us next time. I'll see y'all.